ade nyankopon fa mbone cheve na me ko bonsam jema na NPP say ko me ko bonsam jema na NPP we ya dipa kura put drink and keeping the words enti get what is nti no atangwa nim chi obi gisa na bi say obeti se bofuro odam no owuro na fui owuro na dane no ye hu sa high brown the shwase ay green pe na dane de kakra ye wi na yi na da to abefo pan no ye so fa nko so so ntre so omko na abefo na tutwa no ma wi nkwasiafo now mama nko Kevin Taylor is back. I didn't the young yenye I didn't the mombre mo once na mo Jimmy NPP for mo lose election no. We yes si ni bi. Si na mo gonna for Jimmy. Moa. Oko TikTok obo breeding is breeding. You people are breeding like breedables. They are breedalization and the breedalization. Hey, but me obabi nenim so otwe na ase Kevin Taylor no nie be he orusu kabi kokuo na Kevin Taylor nie sa na wonya fe ekra be wini power no na say no one time sa etina de bi oto on me Bafan Association of Ghana ye nyina ye nigi ye ho na Kevin Taylor no pa sa no one time sa hwe picture bi a wetwa hwe ne nan enokra ye ginem miti eso efe me see the whole NPP obi no ho fashion me munyina wajimi munyina wajimi NPP for munyina wajimi mo be bro ye be miamu wa ye be miamu kumunkwasiafo munachi fin se kokuo motete Ghana nkurasefo monum kan ma wi eye akrantie nam mo yam kusu mo tan ena mo bi gu abrochire mo ye se mpete ye kanyansa kire Ghana na mo hu fin obekoro muguo ye ntiasie na die na ye lose ya hwe kwasia oyeso manchechire ye ntomafira oyese ya na ukọ oyese ya chechire ma ye ntomafira ene oyese na oyese na ukọ dabi o manchechire de nyansa ejimifo ye be miamu mo lose he time na ye kase mo nka asem chire Ghana fo no hwe na mo kwasia ese koye papa kwasiafo ye kotoaba dabu twisoroku emoa asempapa biamate ayamido asempapa biamate se onya yegbemi we di atanti afi kwasiafo mu fin me go baby o me young me che rough me obondu emfa me very young me jire be for 10 years me miamo etiame ya me so me say na so me say na me show they say them the me miamo kumo mo me miamo fucking monim dia monye mo sori na maka we ejimifo ye koto aba monka dia ma ya kire Ghana fo na Ghana fo entumi enye den en decide say monim nyansa say mo ejimi nkwasiafo mo di so obi ejimi say chema wontumi ana mo hu fin say empata monum kan mudi bofro nkwan wi na atom ni jimi obedwa abrantie we ye se de beye do utumi nyefoko fo jimi nkoro ha mi amenie Kevin Taylor amenie be me sabo me bo mi amenie de oye be ma no nkasa jimi fo ye chechire Ghana na mudi jimi nkofo agina stage eye ohia ye gbami mudi na mutie o mudidi matam and the mobet na TikTok na Kevin say no tie abo anka me banka me nan yedu Bema ben wo NPP mu an ho ofete seme. Bema ben ne wo NPP mu an ho ofete seme. Bema ben hwan na wo NPP mu an ho ofete seme. Eya mo ya mo agimi mo ntena se na mo ndwendwene na mo busa mo say what happened? And no say mo busa mo ho. Sit back, foolish idiots. Na mo busa mo say okay, we are a political party. We were in power. You losing maybe in serious da. When him say 1.8 million about Bawumia di lose you know. E be serious da. And I'm just say something small. Nyamebe say tuamoka. Nyamebe say tuamoka because assassin etusuno onyame aboho ban odi ni moja etwa ho. Na mo de mokwasia abeluse 1.8. Yati ye wiase say yati wiase ye bie wiase pa lock. Ye bie lose 1.8 million da. Me see ye wiase ti ye yati wiase ne ho ye ne abeyfo ya che na ye wu ni aba de ye gu ni ye nim de ekọ. Yati wiase obi lose 1.8 da. Enkwasiafo betena se. Na mabusa mo ho kwe ha. Mobusa mo questions no Munim Jimmy and a Kevin Taylor and a Kevin Taylor. Mun ma de konti amuluzi munim. Do you people know why you lost? My mama homework in kwasia for ma. Moko TikToker. Na mam no topic at all. I didn't think you lose ye. Find the reason why you people lost. Na mo Jimmy. Onya ye seke. We say bafwa di ancheche. Edi NPP. Onya amkwasia for. Mumbusa mo questions. I say then you lose ye. What happened? I didn't know we are see nyina na obi lose 1.8 million da. Then you lose 1.8 million. These are the questions intelligent people ask themselves. Modie tribe ni jiminti. Modie say a personal attack on Kevin Taylor would change the fortunes of the NPP. Moya moi. Mo Jimmy and makachira must as far as no kore abano. You people will stay in opposition for 42 years. Yeah, to aba enibra bank of adwuma say nipa ewu na mo de mokwasia small boy ejojo mo. Enkwasiafo party. Na momo no ya sabe tena say oh, ya dwene se munim nyansa kwasiafo. Are you the people amusema go school no? Muna amusema go school no. Enkurasefo party. Munsue nyansa. Monum kan momoni ankomo a ko bi bekom ko bi ankomo a bofro nkwan bekom bofro kwan ankomo a de insesawa bekom insesawa ankomo a supeku ankomo a de nkako kwasiasa wadwiri nyina te se kota mundi ade ya light it mudi people e chiro mo say nwan mo system no e mo yetum mo say moa anka this is the time you sit back and start asking serious questions. NDC losing 2016, they sat back and started asking themselves questions. DNSC, we need to correct this. We need to change this. The executives, this has to go. This San and Nipa ye, Modema said toilet mumwa. Ah? And I'm yama decay into the piano, my gas and I'm what munim answer. Mumuta mumpenny for the questions. Muntumin kenkai, muntumin tro, my same pete, muntumin gene. Now, what you somebody did Kevin Taylor terminal and be winning power. What you somebody did Kevin Taylor terminal and because me at the end of the day, me want for chemunina. It Kevin Taylor who did not terminal and for NPP but power. Kevin Taylor now talk and some and for NPP but power. They also yana say Montinas no mon cat no crunch Ghana phone country mu na mo Jimmy. What you say omambo ayantumani yefra. Ye be di mama mo watete mo. Maya say nine, Maya say gata mu nine. Munahu tum kwasiadi. Me de wana we jina mo so kwasiafo. Mu ni pa mbebu no. Maya say nine, ya kana mu na mu de chire, ya kana mu na mu de chire. Mumbusa mo what actually happened? Why did we lose? What happened? 1.8 million. Were we not the same people Ghana for my power? What has happened? Did we give them the jobs? The one district, one factory. Did we actually build the factories? The one district, one dam. Did we build the dams? Did we respect the people? Why is there more? Because most sorry, kabube die duane e light kakana ma adwunu mu da ho no na obe sori no patutututu na obi ti superkunkwan ho abuofunu superkunkwan ya de dwene. Superku so de o. Ayabido, asempa bi ayente, ene mwe Jimmy, anopatutu no ti superkunkwan ho, superkunkwan ko tiriba wada ne aboa. Na dindindi, ebo anopatu, anopa 6:30, no ti superkunkwan ho kwasia, owi abetena TikTok. Yenti asie, amanfo ye adwuma. Amanfo calculate, amanfo send message, amanfo ebie Ghana fo ni, my sempete. Yeah, I told you people something. And ideally, I am going to insist on it again. I told you, say Onyankopon was free. Onyankopon nim de ye free akumemu no. We will take NPP out of power, and we have taken NPP out of power. I have helped, and I'm proud of it. I am happy because in the Ghana film we said, so I told you people for 7 years, say I will take you out of power, and me enemy team. We have taken you out of power, and I will nullify the party. I know how to nullify the NPP. I am moving nkete me catch them say I will take power from you, and the power I will take from you, no, I will take it from the Ashanti region. Mu dey see here. Mu Jimmy nti ye ka asem chiro amonte. Me catch them say I will enter Ashanti region, I will take power. 2024 elections, I entered the Ashanti region and we took the power. And I am telling you people today, I am promising you, inshallah, onyankopon wasuri a oni makumeda me mu ene obambo a ode bombe enemy team me gu NPP me na me ka kire mo me gu no. I will nullify the party. Me wi na maka nkwase afo se monkote foforo mfambra me gu no. Me mamu 2 years me gu party no. The next elections, sir, mudi any candidate ever candidate, I don't care. It could be Bawumia, it could be Bawumia, it could be Kennedy, it could be Oseche Mensabu, it could me say mobile. Some cross 25% a me go me platform no. Me go party no. Ana sometimes me kasana me stress. Asembe na makache mo NPP before ambem. From 2020 I'm catching say we will take power from the Ashanti region. Do you know what brings home power? A commitment, consistency, and an okre. We will use truth. You be good party no. Me good no. Yes. Me somebody abo pa mo kasa my hand time. I don't care. Me good no. Sa part way demonic. Enya party de chichiri kro. Omo mu di animu ye nkwasiafo omo nim nyansa. So me and my team, I will shut this party down. Yes. Me pathway meaning baby and a bonyo she. I know where it is, mobile. I know where the bile is. Obviously, Kevin, me didn't catch them some magic power for Ashanti region. I entered the Ashanti region and I took that power. Radio stations in media houses all Ghana, me and I'm declare results first. And I'm telling you, 2028, I will nullify your party. Yeah. I'm going to keep, and God being good to me, and onyankopon hata suni makumem, and the people I work with, we relying on God and the wisdom He has given us. NPP will never come back to power until party negu. You people have no idea how power ebedru ebiedui. When I see people talk on social media, on Facebook, you don't have an idea. Muni idea biya. Me see me good party no. Me. And asantifo nyansafo mutiem no say Kevin, you are right. Yes. Asantifo nyansafo no mo hwe me no. Say no kure na Kevin can me good party way and we will help build a different party. Me gu no. Agroni entokwanie me di amamo do ye bema no ometontia. I will nullify this party. More than 38%. Me see the next election, more than 25% am yokusie. I'm telling you. The next election, more than 25% am yokusie. And you are never going to cross 30% again. Some mwe Jimmy. Most someone can cre. Most say atro. Most say Jimmy. Most say mo die no cre pese can no cre chichiri ma munye bi. Ye be chira mo say ye ne Jimmy chemo. Me guno. Ohini bi antumi stop me. Ohima bi antumi stop me. No politician can stop me. Onyankopon kwa ne betumi. Onyankopon say Kevin guno. Me guno. Only Allah. Onyankopon hata suri. Ono kwa ene makumem. Ono kwa ne ka say Kevin jai. But as I sit here, Onyankopon him say adepa na me ye no. Me gu party no. You don't know what I am putting together. Why say nkusie? Why say nkusie? Most mo pie free bomb. Kurum, na mo pie free bomb. Kurum. Ya yem bibia enye ye na mo to light, mo te light. Kiri, kwasiafo. Muni ma dia ema mo free power. Munim. You think Kevin Taylor coming after Kevin Taylor will make you win power? Abua, what is a Ghana for Jimmy? What is a Ghana for ya moi? What is a Ghana for Jimmy ana? Omunim nyansa. And the more who desu Accra, more who desu Ghana. Street lights in so. John Dramani Mahama statement to make here. Oh, say Ghana for Aja to mutim. This is honesty. This is service. Kwasiafo. Makofa chichidie we man so gunenum. Na Jimmy ni so gina hosa. Mogi say nwan. Mo busa mo ho de ma mo lose elections no. Mo busa ye e na mo didi me matam. Me wo didi matam na me charge. Ai na me ye kese na me hiti. Apigya na edem.
This can paradise for me.
This is for the popping. Me guru. Hey, my set traps be Ghana. 2025. I'm going to bring out something new. You'll be shocked. Anytime I carry some party, no, I know your party inside out. Mumusa the young people in your party. Mumusa samia uku. Mumusa kujo ponkruma. They know. Party the damisem. They know. They know. Mumusa young ones. I hold the heart of this party. And I know. Say, omomudi party we ni mo oma ton party no long time. And it's not sometimes we did na mo kasa mtumisho sana ya mesre. Hey, 2024 elections. Be 8 months na me minim say NDC be wini. We are lucky na 2 million votes lead. I'm telling you. The difference was 2 million. We are lucky. Bibia and click. And we will make sure Nyanko Pontia sie ya oboy ho ban a ono na ye obi a yini dan so no ye be dum party wager. Me. You people have no idea. You have no idea about what is coming. Now, kwasi asem way akoyo kasa na odwene ho.
Grace of God, inshallah, we are winning this election. We are winning this election. Make no mistake about it. The only issue for me today, if we vote today, we win. The only issue is the gap. How big a gap we are going to give our opponents. I want a big gap. I want a big gap. I want all of you to come out. I want a big gap. We want to beat them well. So come out.
I want a big gap. I want a big gap. Here. Mesi mumusa samia uku or my phone number. Mumusa na sede na Kevin. Mumusa ko do pon kroma. Mumfra mumusa say na Kevin nkomo be na oni omudi. Mumusa opon kroma. Mumusa mo council of elder penyini. Mumusa mo. Na me form numbers ntutu dwa. Kwasiafo. Mo je say ye nam ho na ye hwe mo keke. Mo party na good long time. Long time na gu ye. Me gu no. Hey. Ayila. Now mommy and juma. Jimmy say me say 40 years. Ya lock mo. Wontumi ba power biem. And again of where Jimmy Kurano, why should they even look at anybody to lead the NPP? Say, Meko Salah na Kotuabamano. On what grounds? Why should any Ghanaian get up in the morning and say Meko Tuama NPP? On what grounds? On what grounds? Because you are not admitting, say, Ghana for money. You are not even admitting. And Kwasiafo social media, they don't even know why you lost. And Omo Jiminti, they are not asking for the people who made the money to tell them. Majority of them TikTok. San Kwasiabo way, Omo Tamsika, you want to go the go omo them. Hey, munim the ebesi. But party no, mun penny for. Hey, go the go for them Wontumi na. What did me matter? Do you know what I know? Now, what Ghana now who many more benim? Majority of you, who me one-on-one, obet my minim. Share. Obet su trasi. Messiah, who me one-on-one, obet su trasi. You have no idea. Entire Mombramo Mwase. Party is not coming back to power. Mom, TikTok here today, you are wasting your time. Facebook, you are wasting your time. Nobody can sustain any political platform in the name of NPP for over 6 months. Nobody in Ghana. Nobody. Me say me undi over 42 years, I don't banter you. Until you are 42 years, and I'm a bantao. But obi or less than 42 years, I will never do that. Because the kind of people I meet and sit with to think and reason, majority of you people, mundru ho. Inti, say, oh, person, MPP, nina or bantamia, you need to be over 42 years. Only 42 years, I will not waste my time. Because you are a kid. Yes. That means I can take care of you. That means you are just a child. We are kwara. You cannot. And you wouldn't understand what is going on. Yeah. You will never understand.